addressing modes in 8086. Addressing modes means the different ways in which a source operand is denoted in an instruction. 8086 supports 7 different types of addressing modes. First one, immediate addressing mode. In this addressing mode, the data operand is present as a part of instruction. Example, move AL, FFH. Here FFH is a directed data which we are moving into the AL register, which is 8-bit. Move AX, 2345H. 2345 is a directed data which we are moving into the AX register, which is 16-bit. Second, register addressing mode. In this addressing mode, the register is the source operand for an instruction. Move CX, AX. Here the AX value we are moving into the CX register. Third one, direct addressing mode. The addressing mode in which the effective address of the memory location is written directly in an instruction. Move AX, 1592. Here 1592 is the effective address which we are representing in the instruction. So if you execute this instruction, whatever the value the 1592 is holding, we are putting into the AX register. It is a register representation of indirect addressing mode. So first bit 0 indicates it is direct addressing mode. Second, opcode, and third, address. So here the first bit is 0 means it is direct addressing mode. Here address at the address location, it is 1592. Fourth one, register indirect addressing mode. It allows the data to be accessed at any memory location. Here the operand resides is held by the register. The registers used are SI, DI, and BX. Move AX, BX. So BX is represented in square brackets, which indicates the memory location. So it is a register representation. Here 1 denotes it is indirect addressing mode, and opcode and address. So in address section, we are representing BX in square brackets. So fifth one, base index addressing mode. In this addressing mode, the offset of the operand is given by some contents of the base register, which is BX or BP, or it is 16-bit or 8-bit displacement. Move DX, BX plus 4H. So it is an instruction. If the value of BX is 1000, so if we execute this instruction, so 1000 plus 4, it is 1004. So at 1004, the value we are fetching and we are putting it into the DX register. Sixth one, index addressing mode. In this addressing mode, the operand offset is formed by adding the contents of source index and destination index register and 8 or 16-bit displacement. So move BX, SI plus 16. So if imagine the value of SI is 800, so 800 plus 16, it is 816. So at the memory location 816, whatever the value it is having, we are fetching that data and we are moving it into the BX register. Seventh one, based index addressing mode. In this addressing mode, the offset address is formed by adding the base register to the content of index register. Example, add CX, AX plus SI. Here AX is the base register and SI is the index register. By adding these two values, we will get the effective address. So the value of effective address, we are fetching that data and we are adding it to the CX register, and the result is stored in CX register.